Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video I'll tell you how you can set up OBS Studio audio setup. Okay, see here I have DJI mic 2 with me, and I have Realme wireless Bluetooth neckband, and I also have JBL 3.5 mm headphone jack, which is already connected to the laptop. See here, now the question is, out of these three devices, this DJI mic, this JBL headphones, and this Realme Bluetooth headband, I have the choice, I have the settings that which audio device the voice should be recorded. While you record the audio or while you stream any game, the audio device, that is absolutely our choice to select. How you can select? So from this I'll be recording on the laptop screen and show you, for clearly showing you the options here. Okay, I'm going to the screen recording. Okay, see here the current video what I am recording is with the OBS screen recording only. So first of all, you need to click on the file here, then click on the settings, then click on the audio here. See, you need to check this section, global audio devices. So mic, auxiliary audio 2, 3, 4 all are set to the default, or you can set to DJI mic 2. See here, headset DJI mic 2 hands free, which is connected to the Bluetooth. See here, wirelessly my DJI mic is connected to the Bluetooth. That's the reason mic or auxiliary audio is showing. External microphone in the sense the JBL, which I plugged in through 3.5 mm headphone jack, right? That one. And these are the default laptop speakers microphone, and this is the DJI. Okay, if I connect the Bluetooth with the Realme neckband, that will also show up here. So my suggestion for you is, don't touch these options, better leave it default. Don't touch this. Okay, I'm be clicking on OK. Where we need to change the settings, click on here at your battery and Wi-Fi and audio, right click on this and click on the sound settings, or else you can click on this Windows logo, then click on settings, then you can go to system, under system click on sound, whatever you will reach here. Okay, here what you can do is click on this input here. Under input you will see this drop down, right? Choose a device for speaking or recording. Currently it is this radio button is selected to the DJI mic 2. So in this recording I won't change, because the video is already recording here on the OBS Studio only. The video is currently recording. Now I won't change. Say for example, if you want external microphone in the sense JBL wired earphones, which I connected to 3.5 headphone mm jack, and this Realtek audio is the default what is this, laptop speakers. If you want Droid microphone is another software. Okay, if you want this, you can set whatever you connect the external. This is the area you need to change the radio button, then that particular device will be useful for the recording. I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.